Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I want to speak to the part of you that's tired but still pushing. The part of you that's been through the fire but refuses to quit. The part of you that knows deep down you were made for more. You didn't come this far just to collapse into another restless night. You didn't survive everything you've been through just to crawl into bed with a heart full of stress, a mind full of noise, and a soul too heavy to sleep. Let me remind you, how you end your day is just as important, if not more important, than how you start it. Because the end of the day is where your next chapter quietly begins. Too many people live on autopilot. They rush all day, crash at night, and wake up stuck in the same cycle. No clarity, no purpose, no peace. But you're not like most people. You're here because something inside of you is done surviving. You're ready to start living with intention. This message is your call to rise. Not just in the morning, but in the night. To turn your evening hours into sacred time, a time of reflection, a time of preparation, a time to reset your mind, recharge your spirit, and remind yourself who you are. Because the truth is, success doesn't start when the alarm goes off. It starts when the lights go out. It starts when you decide to stop carrying today's weight into tomorrow. It starts when you build a nightly routine that doesn't just help you rest, but helps you rise. You see, the world will teach you how to hustle. It'll teach you how to grind, how to push, how to burn the candle at both ends. But it rarely teaches you how to protect your peace, how to prepare your mind, how to rest with purpose. But the greatest achievers, the real winners in life, they don't just master their mornings. They master their nights. They know that every night is a chance to align, to reflect, to give thanks, to let go, and to dream again. They know that peace is not a luxury, it's a necessity, and they fight to protect it. So tonight I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful steps to end your day like a warrior. Not with exhaustion, not with chaos, but with clarity, gratitude, and peace. Because you deserve more than just sleep. You deserve rest that heals, rest that prepares, rest that empowers you to rise stronger tomorrow. This isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. It's about saying, I may not have all the answers. I may still be figuring it out, but tonight I choose to end this day with purpose. So take a deep breath, release the tension, drop the weight, and lean in. Because tonight we reset. Tonight we realign. Tonight we reclaim our peace, our power, and our purpose. And it all begins right now. Before you close your eyes each night, I want you to remember something powerful. How you end your day determines how you start the next one. Most people don't even realize this. They stumble into bed exhausted, mentally drained, emotionally depleted, and spiritually disconnected. They let the day control them instead of learning how to control the day. But that's not how strong people live. That's not how dreamers become doers. That's not how the next level is unlocked. If you want your mornings to be powerful, your nights must be intentional. The first step is simple but life-changing reflection. Take a few moments, just 5 minutes, to think about how your day went. What did you accomplish today? What decisions did you make that moved you closer to your goals? What mistakes did you learn from? Look back to beat yourself up. Look back to level up. Self-awareness is the beginning of self-mastery. Your nights are not a time to judge yourself. They are time to understand yourself. What drained your energy? What gave you life? What triggered your emotions? What made you feel proud? Write it down. Say it out loud. Let it become your teacher. The second thing you must do is practice gratitude. Gratitude isn't about ignoring your problems. It's about shifting your perspective. It's about training your mind to focus on the good no matter how small. Maybe today was tough, but you still made it through. You still woke up. You still had food, breath, and a chance to fight another day. That alone is a blessing. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. It grounds you. It heals you. And it prepares you to receive more. Each night, ask yourself, what am I thankful for today? Maybe it's a conversation, a breakthrough, a quiet moment, a step forward, no matter how small. Write down 3 things. Feel it in your heart. Gratitude practiced consistently will transform your mindset faster than any motivational video ever could. And finally, let go. Let go of what you can't control. Let go of the arguments, the stress, the fear, the overthinking. You will never sleep peacefully if your mind is in survival mode. Tell yourself, it's okay. I did my best. Tomorrow is a new opportunity. Don't bring today's baggage into tomorrow's journey. Free yourself from the mental chaos. Release it. Surrender it. Give yourself permission to rest. Because rest is not laziness, it's preparation. Rest is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. Champions don't burn out, they recharge. And when you learn to end each night with reflection, gratitude and peace, you start waking up with focus, strength and power. Don't just go to bed. Rise into rest like a warrior preparing for greatness. Power moves set your mind for success. Your night routine should not just be about rest, it should be about alignment. It's not enough to just sleep. Anyone can do that. But not everyone uses their nights to program their mind for success. What you feed your mind before you sleep is exactly what your subconscious will replay while you're resting. So, if you go to bed worried, fearful, distracted, or discouraged, don't be surprised if you wake up already feeling behind. But if you go to bed focused, grateful, and determined, you give yourself a head start while the world sleeps. The first power move you must add to your night. Intention setting. Before your head hits that pillow, ask yourself, what do I want tomorrow to look like? Who do I want to be when I wake up? Close your eyes and visualize it. See it clearly. Picture yourself waking up early, strong and ready. Imagine the energy you will have, the confidence you will speak with, the discipline you'll walk in. Visualization isn't just a mental game, it's a success strategy. The most successful people in the world don't wait for the future. They create it. They see it before it arrives. They live it in their minds before it becomes real. Champions don't just train their bodies, they train their minds every single day. Take a moment every night to write down 1 or 2 key goals for the next day. Don't overwhelm yourself with a long list. Simplicity is power. Clarity beats chaos. Pick what matters most. What would make tomorrow a win? And lock in on that. When you wake up, you'll already have a mission. No more waking up lost, unsure, or distracted. You wake up focused and ready to execute. Here's another game changer. Feed your spirit before bed. Put your phone down, turn off the noise, and instead read something that empowers you. Maybe it's a quote, a passage of scripture, a few pages of a personal development book, something that reminds you of who you are and where you're going. What you consume before you sleep settles deep into your subconscious. You can either feed your fears or fuel your faith. You can either go to bed numb from noise or energized by wisdom. Choose wisely, protect your energy. And finally, speak affirmations into your night. Say them out loud if you can. Something like, I am strong. I am focused. I am aligned with my purpose. I am letting go of stress. I am becoming the person I was created to be. These aren't just feel-good phrases. They are commands to your soul. Words shape your world. And the words you speak before you sleep will shape how you rise. So don't just drift into the night. Design it. Program your mind. Set your intentions. And go to sleep like someone who knows that success doesn't begin when the sun rises. It begins right here, right now, tonight. Protect your peace. Disconnect to reconnect. The final thing you must do before sleeping isn't about your schedule or your to-do list. It's about your peace. Because no matter how busy, successful, or motivated you are without peace, you will feel empty. And too many people are going to bed every night overwhelmed, overstimulated, and overthinking. Why? Because they don't know how to disconnect. They carry the weight of the world into their bedroom. They scroll endlessly through social media comparing their life to someone else's highlight reel. They fall asleep with the noise of the internet, the news, the negativity, and then wonder why they wake up feeling tired, anxious, and behind. So, let me give you something powerful. You don't need to respond to everything. You don't need to carry everyone's expectations. You don't need to go to bed with a heavy heart and a racing mind. You need to learn how to protect your peace like your future depends on it, because it does. Before you sleep, unplug, turn your phone off, or at least put it away. Give your mind a break from the noise. You are not a machine. You are a soul. You need stillness. You need space to breathe. Create a calm environment. Dim the lights, light a candle, play some soft music, or just sit in silence. Allow your nervous system to relax. Give your heart room to settle. If you've been carrying something heavy, hurt, fear, guilt, regret, release it. Journal it out. Pray about it. Meditate on peace. You don't have to have all the answers tonight. You just need to trust that clarity will come in the morning. Forgive. This one is hard but necessary. Carrying resentment into your sleep is like drinking poison before bed and expecting to wake up healed. Forgive those who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Let go of the conversations you replay, the disappointments that broke you, the people who didn't see your worth. Free yourself before sleep so you don't stay trapped in yesterday. Then affirm this truth. I am safe. I am enough. I am healing. I am growing. Say it until your spirit believes it. There is power in stillness, power in letting go, power in knowing that tomorrow holds new possibilities, and that tonight you are choosing to rest, not because everything is perfect, but because you're learning to trust the process. Your night routine is your shield. It protects your energy, your clarity, your strength. Every night is a reset, an opportunity to unplug from the noise and reconnect with yourself, to stop surviving and start aligning. So, as you lay down tonight, don't just chase rest, chase peace. Protect it, prioritize it, and you wake up not just rested, but reborn, realigned, and ready to rise with power. Because when peace becomes your priority, progress becomes your lifestyle. And now, as the day draws to a close and the noise fades into the background, I want you to pause just for a moment and take this in. You've made it through another day. Maybe it wasn't perfect. Maybe it was messy, emotional, or exhausting. But you made it. You showed up. You kept going. And that alone is proof of your strength. You see, life doesn't require perfection. It requires presence. It requires commitment. And tonight, if you've taken the time to reflect, to be grateful, to set your mind with intention, and to protect your peace, then you've already won. You've already planted the seeds for a better tomorrow. Because every small act of discipline before bed, every moment of silence, every word of affirmation, every deep breath is a message to your future self. It's saying, I care enough about my life to take control of how I end my day. And that kind of mindset, that kind of alignment, that's what separates the dreamers from the doers, the survivors from the warriors. Most people go to bed running from the day. You're not like most people. You're ending this day by facing it, by learning from it, by letting it go. That's how you turn pain into power. That's how you stop reliving the same battles and start writing new victories. Your bed isn't just a place to sleep. It's a launch pad. It's where your spirit recharges. It's where your next breakthrough begins. Don't underestimate the power of this nightly reset. Don't let the world convince you that rest is weakness or that stillness is a waste of time. It takes courage to slow down. It takes strength to disconnect. It takes wisdom to say, I've done what I could today, and that's enough. So tonight, breathe deeper. Hold yourself with grace. Let your mind be still. Let your body unwind. You're not falling apart. You're falling into place. Let your last thoughts of the night be thoughts of hope, not fear. Let your heart be filled with peace, not pressure. Let your soul find rest, not because everything's fixed, but because you trust that it's being worked out. And when you wake up tomorrow, you won't just rise with the sun. You rise with purpose, with clarity, with renewed energy, and a mindset that says, I'm ready. Because you didn't just go to bed like everyone else. You ended your day like a champion. So from this night forward, promise yourself this. You will reflect without judgment. You will give thanks without conditions. You will let go without guilt. You will rest with power. And most of all, you will protect your peace like your future depends on it, because it does. Now close your eyes. Breathe in peace. Breathe out pressure. And remember, You are strong. You are worthy. You are becoming. And tomorrow you rise.